Good morning, everyone. I'm Jim Scott, and we are tracking a massive, potential life-threatening winter storm taking shape across the United States today. This is a multi-day high-impact system that is expected to affect more than 35 states as it moves from west to east through the weekend. A Arctic air mass is crashing south and east, colliding with the deep Gulf of Mexico moisture, a dangerous combination that will bring heavy snow, significant ice, and brutal cold to a large portion of the country. This storm is intensifying across the southern Rockies and Central Plains this afternoon, with major impacts beginning through Friday evening. Southern Plains, Oklahoma, Texas, and Kansas snow is impacting develop by Friday afternoon. Cities including Oklahoma City and Tulsa are already under a winter storm warning with 6 inches or more of snow possible. Farther south, North Texas and southern Oklahoma face a significant icing threat, raising concerns for power outage and extremely hazardous travel. Precipitations will transition into a dangerous mix of snow and sleet by Friday evening. Northern Arkansas could see 4 to 10 inches of snow, while central portions of the state may experience ice accumulation, increasing the risk for downed trees and power lines. The deep south, Mississippi, Alabama, and Georgia, the heaviest precipitation arrives Saturday, but temperatures begin to plunge Friday night. This sets the stage for freezing rain and sleet beginning overnight, creating dangerous travel and power concerns well south of where winter storms are typical. Behind the storm, a dangerous cold Arctic air mass is settling over the nation midsection. Temperatures will run 25 to 45 degrees below normal. Cities such as Kansas City may struggle to reach 10 to 15 degrees for the daytime high. Across the Dakotas and Minnesota and Wisconsin, wind chills are forecasted to fall between minus 20 and minus 40 degrees. At those levels, frostbite can occur in as little as 10 minutes on exposed skin. This storm will bring major travel disruptions. Key corridors including I-35, I-40, I-44, and I-70 are expected to become extremely hazardous, with road closures likely across parts of the southern plains by Friday night. Ice accumulation combined with wind gusts as high as 25 to 35 miles per hour raises a high risk for widespread power outages. Now let's turn our attention to Indiana and Ohio, where we're under a winter storm warning in effect from 10 a.m. Saturday to noon Monday. Heavy snow expected, total snow accumulations between 8 to 12 inches in portions of the east central and southeast Indiana and central, southwest, and west Ohio area. Good morning, everyone. I'm Jim Scott, and we are closely tracking a high-impact winter storm that will affect Indiana and Ohio this weekend into early next week. This will be a long-duration event. Snow develops Saturday afternoon, heaviest snow Saturday night through Sunday afternoon. Snow continues at times into Monday morning. Snow will be the main concern across both Indiana and Ohio, but there is complicating factors. Periods of freezing rain or sleet are possible, especially Sunday morning. Snowfall rates may vary at times. Even lighter snowfall rates will still add up due to the length of the event. Because of these various snow totals may vary, but warning levels impacts increasing likely regardless of the exact amount. Behind and during the storm, very cold air will move in. Wind chills may fall below zero, especially at night. Cold temperatures will make snow removal difficult. Untreated roads may remain icy for extended periods of time. Travel conditions are expected to deteriorate significantly, especially Saturday night through Monday. Rural roads and secondary roads may become snow-covered and slick. Blowing snow could reduce visibility at times. This is not a quick hitting system. It's a prolonged winter storm with snow possible, ice, dangerous cold, and major travel impacts. For today, we'll see partly sunny skies, but it will stay very cold. Highest temperatures reach only around 12 degrees, and with a northwest wind at 9 to 11 miles per hour, gusting up to 22 miles per hour. Wind chill dipped to around -6 degrees. Tonight turns mostly cloudy and even colder. Lows fall to around 1 degree with wind chills as low as 9 below zero. North winds continue at 6 to 8 miles per hour. Saturday remains cloudy and cold with snow becoming possible after 1 p.m. Highs struggle to reach around 10 degrees and wind chills may drop to near -10 degrees. An east wind at 6 to 9 miles per hour will keep things raw. Snow amounts during the day should stay light, generally under an inch, but this is just the beginning. Saturday night, when snow becomes widespread, snow is expected through the night with 100% of precipitation. Lows fall to around 9 degrees with 2 to 4 inches of snow possible by Sunday morning. Northeast winds increase to around 9 miles per hour with gusts up to 20 miles per hour, causing slick and snow-covered roads. Sunday remains the snowy and cold part of the time. Highs reach only around 16 degrees with steady northeast winds continuing. Snowfall could be around 3 to 7 inches, making Sunday the most impactful day of the weekend for travel. Snow chances gradually decrease Sunday night, but lingering snow is still possible. Lows drop to around 2 degrees, with up to an additional inch of snow possible in spots. By Monday, conditions slowly improve. We'll see partly sunny skies, but it stay cold with highs only reaching 11 degrees. Monday night turns partly cloudy and bitterly cold, with lows falling to around -2. So the bottom line is a prolonged cold stretch with a significant snow impact this weekend, especially Saturday night through Sunday. Travel impacts are likely and very cold temperatures will make conditions more dangerous. Now is the time to prepare, limit travel when possible, and stay updated. If you're new here, be sure to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss important updates, especially with the active weather ahead. I'm Jim Scott, and that's your latest forecast from Jim Scott's Weather Desk. Stay warm, stay safe, and I'll see you back here with another update soon. I'll continue to track this closely and bring you updates as needed.